Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take at least 10 seconds I would say, even more probably. Okay, as you can see we're in a system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.